Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable face tracking on Roblox. First of all, click on three dot. Now go to in settings. Now go to in privacy. And once you are in privacy, guys, only you need to do is just scroll down, and here you will see two options. One is microphone and second in camera input. To enable face tracking, you just need to click on this use camera to animate your avatar with your movement. Just click on it to toggle button next to it. And now once you enable it, guys, you just need to open a game. From here you can click on it and open a game that supports camera as input. So once you open the game, guys, you just need to click on this play button and click let's play this game. And once you enable the game, now I'll show you how can you enable it. What you need to do, you just need to, guys, click on this beta feature here, and here you can see this self view. Click on it, and here you can see the webcam or the face cam here. Now here you can see the green dot. So basically the green dot indicates that Roblox using your camera. Now you just need to move your head and start tracking yourself. It will start tracking you. So you can see the you just see the option here, or you can see the message or the notification I got after enabling this option, this motion tracking. So you can enable it using this steps. Hope you understood, and that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.